Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to invite people to a Zoom meeting. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. So as you can see, I have started a meeting here and now I'm going to invite people to my meeting. So I'm going to clicking on participants and I'm clicking on invite and I'm selecting here email. I'm going to clicking on this Gmail option here and it will open my Gmail. So here is the invitation link here and I'm going to adding here the recipient email address and I'm clicking on send. So this is how we can invite people to a Zoom meeting. If you think to see more Zoom videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.